For additional layers, take sections on top of the head, lift to 180 degrees, and cut off the weight in the center. Remember to over-direct sections back to promote the curtains falling towards the face. Before drying, use camera blow-dry spray for heat protection and shine. Here's the dry look. Now create texture. Work from bottom to top, slicing thick areas to remove channels of hair, and then point cutting to shadow the ends. Flatten the sides by slicing into the hair as much as needed without cutting into the wing. And to create texture in the curtain bangs, take sections and pull back away from the face before slicing into them. This breaks up the heaviness of thicker hair types and creates extra movement. Here's the haircut unstyled. Finish with Kenra texture spray for a cool, voluminous anime vibe. Style by tucking the sides back and letting the curtain bangs fall towards the face. Have fun!